Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh.
Okay, you guys, so here is the before of the guest bedroom. When you walk in here, we head straight into the bed area here. And I just have a nightstand, the window, and just a few decorations and things this way. So yes, the major things we're going to be doing is obviously getting new furniture. As you can tell, these knobs have been just falling off. We even tried to replace some of them, but it did not work. So we are just going to do a new dresser. And also, I've had this since I was probably in high school. And I got a little nail polish remover on the top. So definitely in need of new dressers. And then just some paint touch up. And then also I'm going to be getting a new nightstand and headboard, and I'm going to repaint that nightstand there and still use it. And then add some new bedding and obviously new decor. So this is what it looks like before. And let's go ahead and change up this room and get it decorated. I was going to show you quick the bedding that I ended up going with. So I was looking on Zulily. If you guys aren't familiar with that app, you guys can just like download it on your phone. And it's really nice because they have like inexpensive items, different items every single day that are on like sale or stuff like that. And it's really nice. And actually both these came really fast. Normally the shipping does take a little bit of time. But this is the quilt set that I ended up getting. I got a full queen, and it came with the quilt and then also 2 shams. And this is the brand, so you maybe can just look it up on Zulily, that brand, and see if you can still find it. But I believe it was $29, which is a super good price for a quilt. And then I got this Everyday Basic microfiber 6-piece sheet set. This is the brand here, and these I believe are only $15.99, and I just got basic white. So just kind of showing you guys the sheets that I'm going to be using, so go check that out. They might still be on sale. I can link it down below for you guys if you want to take a look, but this is what I'm going to be using. Okay, you guys, I want to share with you some pieces that I'm going to be decorating the bedroom with my existing pieces. These were actually sent to us, and it's from Legacy Home Decor. And I will make sure to put everything down below the website so you guys can take a look and some of the pieces that we did receive. So first is the set of 4, kind of, I don't know, I would say the color is kind of like a grayish blue, and it's perfect because it has these 4 different floral prints on them. And then also this really pretty, it has like that frosted little leaves on them, and then it has, I really like the detailing on the base there. And then the last thing that we did get is, I've been wanting one of these forever, so I'm so excited about it. But yeah, you just hang it on the wall. You can put whatever you want in there, depending on where you have it in the room. So I will definitely show you guys that. And then when we opened the package, it smelled amazing, and she added one of these in here as well. So we just want to thank Legacy Home Decor for giving us these pieces, and let's go ahead and start decorating.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together.
Alright, so when guests come, I always kind of like to keep a little bit of like food or some snacks for them. Just so if they are hungry, they don't have to worry about going downstairs and getting stuff. So I'm just going to kind of put some things on the tray here, some waters and granola bars. So now I'm just going to hang 2 pictures here. I'm just going to use 2 of them for right now for this wall and kind of just hang them how I think looks good.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Say something that will make my day, cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep.
Alright you guys, so here is the bedroom walking in. As you come forward here on the bed, like I said, I did that little tray just with 2 granola bars. This is so good. It's like a refresher mix that you can put into the waters, and it also has like a little bit of energy. And then just this plant, I believe that is from Walmart, and the tray is from Hobby Lobby. And I love the way this bedding turned out. It just looks so much cleaner and really pretty. And that pillow in the middle, I did show you guys, that is actually from Walmart, only $9, so super good deal. I actually might steal it and put it in our bedroom because it says I love us, but I do really like this side as well. And as you come this way here on the nightstand, I have welcome to our house. The Wi-Fi password is, of course, I don't have it just for privacy reasons and stuff right now, but it's super convenient for guests to have that so then they aren't using their own personal data on their phone. And then as you come forward, I absolutely love the way that this plant looks and the vase. It's super gorgeous, and in person it's just one of the nicest fake plants that I have. And then when you come to this wall here, sorry, the window is really bright right now, so hopefully you're getting some good light on that. I love this galvanized little tin. It looks perfect here. And then the bless sign above there is from Hobby Lobby. And as we come this way, I already did show you guys this little shelf area. Now I've had this shelf for quite some time, so I don't know where it is from, but the Be Our Guest is from Hobby Lobby, plant is from TJ Maxx, and that book is from Hobby Lobby. And then these absolutely gorgeous pictures, love them. Okay, so as we come this way, there's the TV, and then the give thanks sign is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the candle holder with the letter R, and the dresser. And then as we come this way, we just have the chair with the gather pillow, and that's from a local shop in town, but I think you can find ones very similar at Hobby Lobby. And that stay a while sign is also from Hobby Lobby. So that is everything in the room. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and gave you guys some inspiration to decorate your home. Make sure you guys do check out Legacy Home Decor. They are so good, and we will have everything linked down below. Everything from customer service to great products. So make sure you guys check that out, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!